Hello guys, welcome back to another beautiful and awesome weekend where I give you updates on the latest apps and games in the virtual reality space. Woo!
Think strong, be strong. You got this.
I've made a video on table tennis game previously some weeks back, and today we are going to look at the lawn tennis game in the virtual reality space. So guys, sit back and relax and watch this video and tell me how you feel about this game, if this is the kind of game you would like to have in your Oculus Quest, or if this game is a no-no for you in Oculus Quest. So once you get your Oculus Quest, this particular game is free, so you don't have to pay for this lawn tennis game. For those of you that would like to get an Oculus Quest for weekend fitness or for relaxation or for game or for anything at all, this is another free game in Oculus Quest. So let's jump right into the game. Let me show you how the lawn tennis game works in Oculus Quest.
Tennis. Get your sneakers on and meet me at center court. Here comes the serve. And the racket change. Out. Here comes the serve. It's a basketball.
So the ball changes.
Oh, so close. Service change. Your opponent is now serving. And the serve. Your opponent has a baseball bat. Out. And the serve. Here comes a racket change. 4! It's a golf club. Here comes a racket change. That foam finger gives you an equipment match. Point. Bring in the heat. Service change. It's now your serve. Here comes the serve. It's an accelerator ball. Out. Here comes the serve. And the racket change. You've got a fish? Points. Ooh, man, that's embarrassing. Service change. Your opponent is now serving. And the serve. Watch out, the net is up. Here comes the serve. Point. You made that look easy. Here comes the serve. A basketball is in play. Here comes a racket change. Nice, a pro racket. Out. Service change. Your opponent is now serving.
Play.
And the serve. And the racket change. You've got a baseball bat.
Out. Nice game.
And the serve. Out. Good try. Good try. Service change. It's now your serve. Here comes the serve. It's an accelerator ball. What a zinger!
Good one.
Here comes the serve. Your opponent has a golf club. It's a golf ball. Point. And you've won the match. Congratulations.
Wow, guys. As you guys can see how the game works. So it's a very interesting game. I would like to hear your thoughts about this game. Meanwhile, if this is your very first time of watching my video, my name is Asukenda Kingsley. And on this channel, I give you tips and solutions on how you can make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on the latest apps and games in the virtual reality space.
Hey, let him hit me. Don't let up.
Not good, not good.
So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my content, make sure you hit the subscription button and the notification button is turned on so that you won't miss out on any of my videos. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed and have a beautiful weekend.